In this video, I tell how to open the guns in Warzone Mobile in recent updates. New W3 guns and some MW2 guns have been added in a part of the store called Arsenal Store. You can buy from this section with the coins you receive by completing daily missions and events. Some guns will be opened by raising your level, but others need to upgrade a special weapon to open, which is usually written in the description of the gun in the new update. Some weapons are unlocked by completing certain missions, which I will explain to you about the examples of these missions. Point blank kill. You must shoot your enemy at a distance of less than 5 meters and kill her. Double kills. 2 kills within precisely 3 seconds of one another in a game. Kill 5 people without getting killed. And do this 10 times. Kill your enemy while you are prone on the ground, that is, kill your enemy with a drop shot. Play 15 games and get to kills in each game. Kill your opponent at a distance of more than 38 meters. To complete the long shot mission, to do this mission, you have to stand next to the wall or cover, and after this button comes, put your gun on the wall.
Strike incoming.
یکیشون نبود. یکی داره بهمون رش میده. از کدومه؟
خدایا یارای من رفتم خرید.
بزنم.
پشت اون دیواره.
دیدمش.
Now go for the win.
بالای سقفه.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Gas is closing in.
Finish it.
تست کرد. تست.
That's a win.
سرت قشنگ.
Flash out.
یه دقیقه واستا. بکن.
بچه. بزن اینو.
دارم دیدم خب واستا بام نرم.
برو علی. برو.
بکت یه تو آمین باید بخور.
تکتیر.
Your teammates are sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
اکانتت ویدیو یاری اصلا فایم.
Your teammates are sent to the gulag. Enemy dropping into the AR.
بابا کیرم نه.
Enemy